Hi members. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can recover your forgotten email address and password. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to change your Gmail password and recover a forgotten password in case you've lost access to your email account. It's important to keep your Gmail account secure by changing your password regularly and ensuring it's strong and unique. But as usual, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you be notified when I make a new video like this one. Okay, let us start. Tap to open the Gmail app. Here, let me enter my email address. I have forgotten the password. Tap on Next. This is the section where we enter the password, but I don't remember it. You see, it's the wrong password. Here, to reset it, click on Forget Password. On this, if you have ever signed your email into another phone, they can send the code on it for resetting the password, but if you don't have access to it, just tap on Try Another Way. Okay. Here, Google will send a verification code to your number. Tap on Text or Call. You will receive a Google code on your mobile phone starting with G. Enter it here and tap on Next. Here they will tell you to create a new strong password. Enter it and confirm it, and the password must be at least 8 characters. Tap on Save Password. Tap on I agree. Here it will start signing in. Done. Now we have resetted a forgotten password. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Gmail tips and tutorials.